am going to be brief. I made it to day 10. I'm super excited. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself. And I'm rarely proud of myself, which I need to be proud of myself more. This shit's hard. It's hard. I want food. Not even like junk food. I just want some nice lentil soup. I want some warm soup to just soothe my soul. I have been in excruciating nerve pain today. I even wore my hair up at work because anything when the pain is that bad that touches my face, or if my hair is like hanging, I just took my hair down. Anything that touches my neck or my face sometimes can really flare up my pain. Today has been hard. Let me repeat that. High pain day from my TN, along with my neck and my back, because I was in a car accident about a month ago, and I'm still feeling a lot of pain from it. So it was hard pushing through today, you guys. I went to work late. I went in late, and I had to leave early because I had a number of symptoms, and typically I could deal with it, but fasting, this shit is different. It hits different because you don't have energy for much. You know what I'm saying? So I drank so much today. I think I drank about 5 or 6 16-ounce bottles of water, about 28 ounces of juice. I'm going to drink the rest tonight, blackberry juice. I don't even think I could think straight. Like, I made it at work. I went to physical therapy. That alleviated my pain a bit, not a lot. So after this video, I'm going to smoke, take a bath, and get in the bed. This is needed. Day 10 has been the hardest since day 4. More of the mind, more of the emotions, and the physical weakness. I did order me some zinc and B12 because I don't have either. And they'll be here, I believe, next week. So I can't wait till they get here. I re-upped on my CMOS. So I'm prepared. It's great that I only have juice in the fridge, because if I had something else in the fridge, today would be the day I will put a piece of fruit in my mouth. I'm not gonna lie. I came home and I go to my regiment. Go in the kitchen, pour my juice for tomorrow, put my lime aside, put my water aside, whatever I need, So I don't have an excuse, you know what I'm saying? Great news. I'm 10 pounds lighter. Hey! I was 172.8, I think, when I started. And today I'm a solid 162, and I can see it in my clothes. I look good, y'all. Yeah. It is day 10. I can't believe it. And I want to see how much I weigh. Started off at 172.8. 10 days later, I am 162 pounds. Wow. That's a great side effect of this, is the weight loss. If that's something that you want to do. But to me, I'm more excited that I'm losing waste, like real waste, shit that does not need to be in my body. This fast hits deep. Last night or sometime yesterday, I was thinking of like this guy that I used to talk to years ago randomly popped into my mind. And I was like, why is he popping into my mind? I'm like, oh, this is the release. Things that were attached to you that you may have thought you released come through. I'm telling you. Then out the blue, I just had a thought, something from my childhood. And I was like, just thinking different things. And I just broke down in tears. So I'm releasing. This is a full mind, body, and spirit cleanse. And I gotta stay going. Like, driving home, I was like, Fern, just go to day 14. You guys, I'm gonna try my hardest. This is my very first time doing this. So if I don't make it to 60 days, my goal is between 45 and 60 days. If I don't make it to either of those, I am still gonna be proud as hell, because it's hard. But I want to make it, but at the same time, I'm like, let me just get to 14 first, because it seems so far away. And so it's just you have your strong days and your weak days, so just keep that in mind. But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna soak. It's probably like 7 or maybe 8 p.m. So have a good one. Day 10 is done.